Hi, my name is Tom Aikens and we are at my restaurant Muse, which is in Belgravia. So my predictions for 2024 with Michelin are, well, it's always difficult. It's like the lottery. You don't know who's going to get it. Some you think you may get it and then they don't get it. So anyway, my predictions are, the only one that I could potentially see getting a 3-star is Claude Bosey at Vivendum.
Steve Smith, head chef of the Latymer at Penny Hill Park. My predictions for this year with Michelin would be brilliant to see Gareth and Yinsha go up to 3 stars, as it would be to feed the terror go up to 3 stars.
My name's Rebecca Marsh from Rondo. I work for Back to Story as a group head pastry chef. My prediction for 2024 for the Michelin Guide would be Ben Murphy, as I feel he's really deserving of a star.
Hi, I'm Ricky Weston. I'm the executive chef here at Watley Manor Hotel and Spa. My Michelin predictions for 2024 is Owlis in Soho for 1 star, Paul Ainsworth for 2, and then Sat Baines for 3 stars.
My name is Sheamus Sam. I'm the head chef here at Muse restaurant. My Michelin predictions for 2024 would be for Midland Grand in King's Cross, Tom Booton in Dorchester, and Barilla.
Hi, my name's Stephen Naylor, head chef of Covent Garden in Story Cellar. My predictions for the Michelin Guide 2024 are the Silver Birch and Chiswick to get 1 Michelin star, the Terra for 3 Michelin stars, and then I think we Story Cellar at least to get a plate in the guide.
So my name's Josh Angus, group exec chef of Hyde Restaurant. My predictions for Michelin 2024, I believe Pavilion, will get 1. Brooklyn's to Bossy's place as well, 1. Raffles, Raffles, potentially 1 as well. I'd love Barilla to get 1. I think he's long overdue. I think he should have got 1 3 years ago, maybe. And then, I guess a bit torn for 2 stars and 3 stars, if I'm honest. You never know which way it's going to go. I think maybe a 2-star is, can't pronounce it, so I apologise. It's Glenn Tor, I think it is. Mark's the chef, doing amazing things up there, so I think he might potentially get 2. And then 3 stars, not sure if it's going to happen, but I think if it was, I would go more hall and kitchen table on my prediction.
My name is Scott Janine. I work for Backstory as a group culinary lead. My predictions for the Michelin Guide 2024 is the next 3rd star to be Claude Bossy, the most refined food in London at the moment.
My name's Tom Sensei. I'm the executive chef of Nessa in Soho. So my Michelin predictions, or I'd like to see, would be the Quality Chop House getting the rewards it deserves. I think it's been a London staple for many years, and it's a shame that it hasn't got a star. And even a big pour monde to the food that it cooks is exceptional, and it's just, it really deserves it.